Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website. It is mysql.com. Click on downloads, scroll down, click on this MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.45. If you are unable to find the version here, you can click on this archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version. See here we have the 24.04 and 22.04. In this video I am going to install on 24.04. So select the respective version. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded. But instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started. See here, its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Ubuntu operating systems. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.45 tar file. We have to untar it, tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. But before installing them, install following dependencies. Sudo apt-get install libaio-dev -ipaddic-utf8. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Now let's install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. See, we are installing 8.0.45. Now we have to set the password for root account. Remember this password, later we need this password to log in. Hit enter, confirm the same. Configure MySQL Server community server. Use the tab and come to OK and hit enter. Now we have to configure the authentication plugins. See here we have to use strong password encryption and use legacy authentication method. Legacy authentication method is used to retain MySQL 5.x versions. Okay. It is up to you. First one is the recommended, second one is the for legacy. Okay, whatever you want you can select and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Ctrl+A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now connect to MySQL Server. Ctrl+A, MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this MySQL root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.45. We can also verify the version by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, Ctrl+A. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Create database. Verify the same. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now verify list of tables of this database. So tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created table customer. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users. Now create user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Ubuntu 24.04. Control A, sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Just replace this stop with status. See, we have started 4 seconds ago. Okay, and see here status is active or dead. Now we can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, we have started 4 seconds ago. Status is active and running. Quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Okay. Until now, we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using MySQL Workbench or DBeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBeaver on Ubuntu operating systems. We have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore. I am going to remove them to clear the space. rm star.dev. This command will delete all RPM packages from the current directory. ls. See here we have one more file. Remove it. rm MySQL, press that tab, hit enter, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.